What's up, y'all? This is Rob C, the place to be. We gotta let these big dogs out. Yay! MSU Bully Farm meets Haven Home. Time to let the beast run. It's about 7 a.m. Come on, little Bizzle. Come on, little bit of trouble. 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 Look out a little bit. You can do that in a minute. Hungry little pig. What the hell you fluffing for, man? What you fluffing up for? Did you? No. No, did you? Come on, y'all. Pay on the voodoo. Little bit, come on. Come on, little bit of trouble. Now, boy. Little bit of trouble. Belly, did you know? Junior, they're gonna attack you. Come on, trouble. Little bit of trouble. No, did you? God dang, you got kicked and stepped on. Easy! God dang! You threw a grenade on them hoes. Boy, I tell you, that's all I need and dare to do. Church school! Y'all ready for church? Yeah, oh, it's not Sunday. Boy, I tell you what. Please like and subscribe. This is Haven's Homestead. Where my church folk at? Y'all ready for school? Little bit of trouble. Hell, y'all scared of trouble, huh? That's the funniest shit I ever seen, boy. I'm gonna have to start using that to clear the path. Juju, Junior, stop chewing on their heads. Little bit trouble. Hey, get over here now. Now. Come on, trouble. Jojo! No! Come on, Trevor! Come on, Trevor! They don't like that noise, boy. Hey! This is the first time I ain't been bombarded by chicks. I like this thing. These are Sherman and our quail. These Shermans are one of a kind, man. Very special. Let's see something. God dang, boy, that thing works. I tell you what, that's a god dang bomb timer. Let's see what kind of work y'all did. Dang, y'all done put it on the grizzand. Y'all done put it down on the grizzand. That's what I'm talking about. I want all this cleared up by the end of the day, okay, guys? I want to be able to walk out here barefooted. Y'all keep on knocking it down. Y'all keep on working, buddies. There's a big old pile of feed right there, boy. I tell you what. Yeah, I got feed for this age, man. Y'all done tore this part up, boy. Woo! They do not like that. They don't like fried chicken. Fried chicken. Come on, little bit. Little bit of trouble. JoJo. Back on off of it. Set your cup down. Set your cup down. Tangerine Carnegie messed up now. Man, I tell you what. This is MSU Bully, Alien Dog Bloodline, Haven's Homestead. And if you ain't curious about what's going on here, then I'm sorry. We got 60 rare breeds from all over the world. We got the largest chicken in the world, which is the Indigo Giagante. He stands a whole 3.5 foot tall. Juju! There's one right there. See that one in the front? Right there, that's the Indigo Giagante. Then we got Jojo. Stop! You don't correct him like that. He feels like he has to correct him with his mouth. Then we got the Sherman, which is the smallest chicken in the world, which I already showed you him. They don't like that, boy. Little bit of trouble. Where you at? God dang, man, I'm not my boy down. Trouble! Trouble! Jojo, no more! Hey, stop eating that food! No! Stop. I thought you were eating them. You're eating the damn food. It's worse. Trouble, a little bit. You better not be eating no puppy now, you heard? You know they're going to have sex with you a little bit. You better bring it on in. Oh, sucked you up real good. No, Jojo! Drop it. Where's Little Big? No. No. Little Big! Little Big! Trouble! Trouble! Up now! Little bit! Little bit. Little bit. Give me the Shermans. Little bit. Where you at, little bit? The chickens inserted and impregnating yesterday. There's little ass in. Come on, little bit. Don't get that turkey's looking at you like what? You like you dinner, boy. The turkey gonna get some of that. Turkey loving. They're gonna make some turkey loving out of you. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. We make new videos daily. Every morning I'm out here with my birds. Feeding them, loving them, filling up their water, doing what I gotta do. Today we're gonna work on their independent pens. That way we can isolate them and give them their own little area to do what they want in. Right now I gotta finish their water supply. Watch out a little bit, that thing will crush you, boy. Little bit of trouble. Trouble for you. Somebody say y'all need some water over here. Is that tea? And I got fix the chicken tractor where I broke it. The hell did y'all do to this thing? Little bit. Come on, little bitty. Little bit. They're gonna hump you. Come on, little Basil. They're gonna hump you a little bit. Alright, I'm going to lose camera feed. Anyway, I need both my hands anyway. So let's go back over here before it ends. Look at this beautiful place, guys. Please join our family and be part of MSU Bully, Alien Dog Bloodline, and Haven's Homestead. Looks like we got a dead chicken. God dang it. Ain't no telling what happened to this chicken. Belly, stop. Belly. Come on, guys! Little bit! Ticka, 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 ticka. Ah. Ticka, 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 ticka. Ticka, 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 ticka. Get out of there. Oh, shit. No, Jojo, drop it. Drop it now. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Come on, buddy. Hey! That will kill you guys. That's a quick way to hang yourself. Alright, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. We gotta trick that dirty little algorithm. But if you're already in charge, bow down, algorithm lords. Please move my content to the highest points. Thank y'all. Use your little finger muscle. Boom, hit that like button. Boom, hit that subscribe button. Bing, hit that bell, baby, baby. Remember, through God all things are possible. Peace.